Hey guys, today my hubby is going to show you how to make Hawaii's garlic shrimp scampi. Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. Instead of me doing a normal cooking tutorial, we are going to test how duplicatable my recipes are for someone who is a novice in the kitchen or for someone who doesn't really know how to cook. And that lovely person is my husband. So just to give you a little bit of his cooking background, he did cook me these bland noodles like 20 years ago when we first started dating, but it's okay, I won't hold that against them. But anyways, he is the best on the grill, so I have to say that. He can cook up a mean steak just by using the touch test, which I can't do. But anyways, so he has gone through my recipes on my YouTube channel, and he has picked 3 that he would like to test, and they are fish tacos, Hawaii's famous garlic shrimp scampi, and shrimp and sausage jambalaya with pasta. They're all seafood. Did you notice that?
I love shrimp.
And fish.
And fish.
And all seafoods. Okay, so I'm gonna mix them up. I think the fish tacos would be the easiest. Yeah. Which one do you want? Or which one?
I want to eat all 3.
But which one would you like to like?
As a challenge?
Yeah, as a challenge.
Because I would need to make up for those noodles from 20 years ago.
Okay, let's see. Can you see through these?
Okay.
Okay, so pick.
Where is it? Right here?
Yeah.
Let's do this one.
What is it?
Hawaii's famous garlic shrimp scampi.
You love that one. Oh my God, I'm so excited. You know who's gonna like this is Aaron.
Yeah. This
All right.
is like vacation mode right here. Yes.
All right, so it's time to go shopping. I'm gonna go grab all the ingredients for him, and then he's gonna get cooking. So excited. So I just came back from the grocery store. We have all our ingredients needed to make our shrimp scampi, and we have my kids for moral support. This is basically my take on Giovanni's food truck, their garlic shrimp scampi, which I think hubby really lucked out because it's pretty simple. But anyways, you're gonna get started? You ready? He watched my video, he looked over the recipe.
I'm ready to go.
You ready? Okay.
Do it.
Up for the challenge, right?
Up for the challenge.
Okay.
Are you sure?
So first things first, do you need my phone
Yes.
for the directions?
Okay, good.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Here we have 1.5 pounds of peeled and deveined shrimp. And then first things first, what does it say?
1.5 pounds of peeled and deveined shrimp.
No, that's ingredients, directions.
Okay, directions. Okay, we're gonna pat the shrimp dry with a paper towel and season well with salt and pepper.
Okay.
Okay.
Stop.
So
You need a paper towel. Let's dump it here.
Dump it on
Could I help?
plate. Oh gosh. Okay.
Can I help?
Yeah.
All right.
You can help
I
me
have
do the
to-
salt and pepper.
Pepper?
Probably should not dump the liquid in there.
Yeah, you should.
So what? Once you pat dry the shrimp with a paper towel, we're gonna season it well with salt and pepper. So let's
Okay.
grab some of this.
I'll get the pepper.
You want to stand over here? Here, you can do it over
I'll
here.
get papers.
How much do I season it?
I'll
Like,
get
is that enough?
season.
Or do I do more?
I'll get
Do you think that's enough?
I don't know. I don't know.
I'll get the hot sauce.
Hold on, bud.
The hot sauce. I was gonna do it.
Wait, this is.
Okay, he wanted to do it. Let Aaron do
Here,
it.
do a little bit of that.
Okay.
And then I'll do a little bit more of the salt. Because I think mommy wants more salt.
No, this is all you.
I don't know what too much is.
We'll see at the end of the video if it's too much.
No, I want it to be good. Come on.
Okay, I think you guys should stop. I think
Stop,
that's
stop.
good, guys.
Okay, mommy says stop.
Okay. Okay, next.
More sauce.
Once we're done with that, and then in a small bowl,
We got the
we're
small bowl.
we're gonna combine flour, paprika, and season it with more salt and pepper. Okay,
Okay.
so how much do
You want to put the paprika? So here we have 2 teaspoons of paprika.
Don't spill
When did
it.
you guys put it in?
Put it. Okay, go ahead, Bradley. Put it in
Okay.
there. Just dump it in there.
There you go. Good
There we go,
job.
and then we'll put this.
And then how much flour, Daddy?
The flour is.
1 cup. I'm just kidding.
It doesn't say.
It says.
Okay. I can't see. Okay, 3 tablespoons.
Of course, I would include the measurements.
3 tablespoons of flour.
3
Is it
tablespoons.
rounded or flat? What?
Just, yeah,
Okay.
level it off.
1.
I mean, we're not baking, so things don't have to be exact, that's why I love cooking, because nothing is completely exact. We're baking, it's like
Because
so
if you
perfect,
bake,
and I
it
can't
might-
stand it.
Because if you bake, if you don't add
That's
enough sugar,
3.
it's just gonna taste like.
So now I'm gonna mix this up. until well combined.
Did it say kind of season? Did it say to season
Oh.
the seasoning? I mean, season
with
the
salt and
Looks like
pepper.
strawberry, Aaron.
season the coating with some salt and pepper.
Is that
Can I
it?
mix it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I mix
Hold on,
it?
Bradley. Hold on.
Can I mix it?
Wait.
Okay, Aaron will mix it. First Bradley will mix it and then Aaron will mix it.
Is that enough?
That's good, that's good.
I don't know.
Okay, good job, Bradley.
My turn.
Okay, now Bradley, Aaron's turn.
Now Aaron's turn.
Don't spill it, okay?
I know.
And all 3 of these guys are left-handed except for me.
Yay.
I'm singled out here.
Just dump it in there.
Just dump and mix.
Dump and mix. Okay.
At the same time.
Make sure everything's well coated with the flour.
I don't want to waste any of these good stuff. And then just get in there.
Get in there and mix. Okay, so this next part is a little bit tricky because Dennis has never peeled and chopped garlic, so I'm going to teach him. And the way I know, oops, wanna go grab that? That's what the kids are for.
I'll do it.
Chase garlic around. So I know people would normally use like the back of a knife and like smash it, but I normally just take my meat mallet and just smash. Hold on, Bradley. Smash, smash. And then look, it's easy to peel. There you go. There you go.
There you go.
And
Good
see,
job.
look, oh, don't smash my finger. Okay, so you wanna grab it. Look how easy it is to take out now.
Okay.
Try,
Yeah.
try it.
It's like peeling a peanut.
Okay,
Or kind of.
so you ready to take over?
Dig.
All right.
All right.
So now Dennis is gonna go ahead and just mince. What's easy is just like,
I know what I'm doing.
I just gather them all
just go
in one pile and I kind of like
Okay.
go like that. Just hold
Okay,
one side
I got
down.
it.
There you go. Do you remember when we had this in Hawaii?
Oh, how could I forget?
So we were vacationing in Oahu and I have some family that live over there. And my aunt took us to all the nice and touristy spots. And one of the places we can never forget is the Giovanni's food truck. And they just had this delicious, garlicky, buttery shrimp scampi. Do you remember?
No, was I born yet?
You were 3 years old.
I was.
Yeah, and Bradley was not born yet.
He was
Wait.
a speckled.
Yeah, you were with us. I think that's the last time we've been back to Hawaii.
That's the last time we were in Hawaii.
We have to take Bradley
I
there.
never knew we were.
That's when I forgot
was-
Aaron's luggage.
Oh, that's
Was
the
it?
time? That was the time? I thought that
Oh yeah. Oh gosh, don't
You can
bring me
share that
back.
story. You want to share that story?
So as a mom, I had everything prepped. I had, you know, our luggage, everything, and I bought cute outfits when he was 3 years old, cute little outfits. And as we got to the airport, we were unloading our luggages, and I was like, where's Aaron's luggage? And then he looked at me surprised. He had one job, put the luggages in the car. But yeah, we forgot
Daddy?
Aaron's luggage, yes. And it was like 300 something bucks to have it shipped over there. So on the plane, I was freaking out. All we had was like diapers. No, were you in diapers?
Yeah, he had diapers.
You're still in diapers?
Yeah, he had diapers.
Okay, diapers and like a floaty. That's all he had going to Hawaii. But luckily, the Target in Hawaii is the same as Target in California. So I was able to like buy everything without like breaking the bank.
We got our
with
rental car, and that was like
outfits.
the first thing we did, just go straight to Target.
Yeah, we got our rental car,
Bought him
went to
clothes.
Target, bought him some outfits, some PJs, swimwear. But now we know, never forget our kids' luggage, right?
Never forget.
Or I should put the luggage in the car.
Actually, I did it again, remember?
Okay, let's just end there. Okay.
Wait,
Is the garlic ready?
I think so. I don't know. I was going to ask
I don't want to
you.
go back there.
You're telling that story, so I didn't want to interrupt you.
I thought when you forgot our luggage, I thought we were waiting for Grandpa.
Oh,
that was
that's
one
we
that-
went to Catalina.
Oh, that one.
Since it is a partnership, I'll say we forgot the luggage, and luckily
No, I'll take that
Roll
one.
one.
Oh, no.
Grandpa was
Roll
able
one.
to meet us at the dock, right before we took off,
Vacations are more stressful than they're fun. It's like,
and give us Aaron's luggage. Oh my goodness. We have everything prepped: our shrimp, our garlic, and we're ready to make some shrimp scampi.
Let's do it.
All right, so Dennis has a pan heated over medium-high heat, and then he's gonna add 1 stick of butter.
So after this melts, I'm going to stir in the garlic and then
Yep.
season it with salt and pepper.
So that the garlicky bites have a little bit of a salty, savory taste.
Grab our garlic, and then just.
I mean, if you guys are not garlic
It
lovers,
smells so good.
then I don't know if this recipe is for you, because this has tons of yummy garlic, which we all love. Even my son loves it.
Just stir it a little bit and then season it, right?
Did you time it?
1.5 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 1.5 minutes.
Is it 1.5 minutes? 1.5 to 2 minutes, right?
Yeah, is that enough salt?
That looks good, yeah.
More?
That's good, that's good. I don't want it to be too salty.
Just kind of stir it in.
Is that over
Medium heat?
medium?
still?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oops.
Are you playing my video?
Yeah.
While you're cooking?
It's a cheat sheet. All right, so I'm stirring it constantly for 1.5 to 2 minutes.
You want to get that garlicky flavor into that butter.
Being careful not to burn the garlic, and I'll know because how? Because it gets just black.
It'll look burnt.
Okay. I'm a novice here, remember.
Okay. Honestly, do you know anything that's better than garlic and butter?
Nope.
I don't know, if I had like my last meal and I had to choose my last meal before the end of my life, where's this video going? It would be something with garlic butter.
Yeah, mine will be somewhere with like shrimp or seafood.
Well, this has shrimp.
Yep, so this is right along the lines of one of my favorite dishes ever.
We have been cooking this for about 2 minutes. You want to turn off the heat and then grab those gloves here, because it'll be hot.
Okay.
And then just empty it into the bowl. All right, so what's going on here?
So I wiped the pan clean, I added some oil, let it heat over.
A little bit of oil.
Medium-high heat, and then I'm gonna add half of the shrimp in here.
Yep.
Okay? So we're gonna cook it for about 1 to 2 minutes per side, depending on how big the shrimp are. And we're only gonna do about half the batch.
You don't want to overcrowd the pan.
Yeah.
We want it to give it a nice golden crust, because if we overcrowd it, it's gonna steam, and we're not trying to steam our shrimp here.
Good enough?
That's good.
One more.
All right, so it's looking really good. The crust is forming on the other side, and then we're gonna move and set this batch aside, and then we'll repeat the same with the second batch. All right, so our second batch is almost through cooking. And then what's next, Chef?
So just gotta turn off the heat, add the first batch of shrimp, and then mix in our delicious garlic butter.
All right, go ahead.
And mix it in.
And the good stuff.
Oh yeah, you gotta get all of them.
No, leave no garlic left behind. All right, time to get our rice ready. Call the boys, well, Aaron, because Bradley's allergic to shrimp. And we're ready to have lunch. My hubby did such an amazing job. I'm so proud of him, and he needs to make dinner more often. Okay, you guys, Dennis is all through cooking the shrimp scampi, and I have to say, it looks exactly like how I make it. And we have to see if it holds up to the taste.
Let's do it.
Let's see if this
Let's do it!
Let's see if my videos are really duplicatable. This is the moment of truth. And I did garnish it with some lemon wedges to make it look pretty. Okay, so we have to serve this with some steamed rice, because that's how they served it at the food truck. And
That looks so
trying to get as close to the recipe as possible.
I call it rice because it's like shrimp and rice.
Let's squeeze some lemon on top.
Can't wait.
Okay.
Moment of truth.
There we go. So, Bradley's allergic to shrimp, so... Wait, no cheersing?
Oh.
Sorry. Cheers.
Kind of. Cheers.
I couldn't wait, sorry.
Cheers.
It's bomb.
Daddy. Oh my God.
So good.
Mwah.
Seriously,
I can.
this guy has never cooked, and he's able to make this. So you guys can too.
It's bomb. Make
You
it.
have to try it.
So good.
So good. If you're not allergic to shrimp, make it.
Wait, guys.
Uh-huh.
So good. You guys have to try it out.
Tell them you have to try it.
Says the allergic one.
Oh my gosh. So we're gonna enjoy this for lunch. You guys like, subscribe, hit that bell notification, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.
Bye. Gotta subscribe too.
Bye.
If you haven't already, subscribe.
I'm very impressed.
What's into my arm? After this, I'm gonna
So good.